Let's start with our star. Solar flaring remains in the C-class range. Small filament destabilizations continue to occur. Solar wind is slightly variable at Earth, but geomagnetic conditions are holding. If you recall, yesterday we showed some filament eruptions in the SOHO coronagraphs indicating possible CME launch towards Earth. Both Enlil spirals are now updated and do show a faint and somewhat unusual looking CME signature heading our way. They do not predict impact until middle of the week, and NOAA's distinctly shows a density dropout, almost like an anti-CME shockwave in the solar wind is coming. We'll keep an eye open for that Tuesday to Thursday. Meanwhile, as we mentioned, there are several more plasma filaments, quite a bit of eruption potential, and some did in fact erupt yesterday. Those were not aimed at Earth. The sunspots are actually presenting less of a threat this morning due to their spread and slight decay. We still have umbral cores at the active regions, but their interaction potential is dropping as they spread and lose that densely compacted heliolocation. Folks, we recall a couple days ago the cyclone that broke a wind speed record at one of the islands offshore Australia. Pretty powerful storm. Well, earlier this morning, an earthquake struck the track of the storm, well above average in this unusual location, and veteran observers will recall several such oddly located quakes in the wake of big storms, like in 2011 when the Virginia earthquake that damaged monuments in Washington, D.C. struck a line where an unusual hurricane had tracked through as well. Lastly here today.